5:43, time for weather now. Big story today and really the next several days will be how strong the wind gets. We could see wind gusts today up to 35 miles per hour. The sustained winds between 14 and 24 miles per hour. So if it's your trash day, that thing will be going right down the sidewalk and it will be tipped over nearby somewhere because of how strong those wind gusts will be. The wind will come out of the south and southwest today, again gusting as high as 30 to 35 miles per hour. It'll actually stay that way through this evening and then subside just a bit early tomorrow morning. Gusts early on Wednesday will be between 15 and 20 miles per hour, but then tomorrow afternoon it cranks right back up. We could see gusts between 35 and 40 miles per hour on Wednesday afternoon, and then we will do it all over again on Thursday. Thursday could wind up being the windiest day with gusts between 40 and 45 miles per hour possible. Now, today will still be warm despite that wind. At noon, we will be at about 72, around 4 o'clock, 77. We will have a partly cloudy sky through the afternoon. The high in Des Moines will get to around 78. Still looking for some lower 80s out over western Iowa, but we are probably going to stay just shy of 80 in Des Moines because of a little bit of that cloud cover. 75 the high in Grinnell today, only 72 in Ottumwa. Those clouds will move into central and southeastern Iowa, maybe bringing a few showers to the southeast part of the state this morning. But the better rain chance will be coming in later tonight as a cold front swings into the state, and that will bring some scattered storms. So let's go through Futurecast. I do expect to see scattered cloud cover this morning and even through the lunch hour. Maybe a shower in southeast Iowa, really from Ottumwa farther to the southeast. Most of the day will be dry, and then watch what happens by tonight. After 9 o'clock or so, thunderstorms will start to fire up over western and northwestern Iowa. Those will initially be strong and then they will move into central Iowa between 10 p.m. and say 2 a.m. I do think they will weaken as they move across the state and then maybe altogether fall apart over eastern Iowa during the morning hours tomorrow. Most of Wednesday will be dry, and then we could see just a couple of showers in northern Iowa tomorrow afternoon. Overall, the severe weather risk tonight is low, but one or two of those storms could produce damaging straight line wind gusts of 60 miles per hour, or maybe some large hail up to golf ball size. But again, that might be one or two storms at most. Our Holt Plumbing and Heating 10-day forecast shows windy weather, of course, as we talked about Wednesday and Thursday. Thursday's high goes down to 59. Now, that wind will get a little lighter over the weekend, but another blast of chilly air will come in, especially by early next week. Next Monday's high will only be around 50 degrees.